Hi everyone, hope you all are good. We are here for grade 6 math. Hello. But why I cannot see my session on the channel? Hold on. Okay. Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 6 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and pass provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 6 math and then click on view. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter ratios, proportions, and persons. The lessons we're going to cover today are proportions, unit rates and equivalent rates, scale drawings, word problems, and ratio tables. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. Let's just start with the lesson proportions. Okay, do the ratio 2 by 1 and 18 by 9 form a proportion. You have to see if 2 by 9 and 2 by 1 and you have to cross multiply their numerators and denominator. You need to do 9 times 2 and you have to do 18 times. Hold on. Okay, if you start with 2 by 1, you multiply it by a specific number and you can get the other fraction. So 9 times 2 is 18. You multiplied first fraction by 9 and you can have the second fraction, right? That means they are the proportion. If you multiply and divide by the first fraction by a specific number and you can have the second one, that means they are proportion, right? So yes, 2 by 1 and 18 by 9 are proportion. Got it? Let's just start with the test questions. Okay, fill in the missing number to complete the proportion. Okay, so you are given 4 to 1 and the missing number to 5. So this 1 and 5, right? Like this, not. denominator by 5. So you need to multiply also 4 times 5 and 1 times 5. So 4 times 5 is 20 and 5 times 1 is 5. So 20. The missing number is 20. The correct option is 20. The missing number is 20. Okay, the next one is fill in the missing number to complete the proportion. So which number is missing? That is 4 by 5 equals the missing number. So that means the missing number is very good. The missing number is 12. The correct option is 12. Do the ratios 2 by 1 and 18 by 9 form a proportion, which is the correct option? Yes, they are proportion. The correct option is yes. Do the ratios 2 by 1 and 816 by 8 form a proportion, which is the correct option? Yes, they form a proportion, right? The correct option is yes, very good. Okay, do the ratios 1 by 2 and 9 by 18 form a proportion, which is the correct option? The correct option is yes, they form a proportion. Option number 1 is the correct option. Do the shows 10 by 20 and by 2 form a proportion? The correct option is yes, 10 by 20 and 1 by 2 form a proportion. The correct option is yes. Do the ratios 5 by 15 and 1 by 3 form a proportion? Yes, they form a proportion. Okay, let me just move on to next lesson. You can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. Okay, the next lesson is unit rates and equivalent rates. You have to do the word problems on your own. The next lesson is unit rates and equivalent rates. Let's just start with the lesson. Find the unit rate. So unit rate means you need to find the value rate of the one thing. Like for example, the first one is find the unit rate. You are given 12 passengers in 6 cars. You have to find how many passengers in one car, right? So you have to divide that 12 by 6. So when you divide 12 by 6, you have the answer 2. That means you have 2 passengers in one car, right? Let's just start with the test questions. Find the unit rate 15 donuts in 3 boxes. So you need to calculate how many boxes in one, how many donuts in one box, right? So you can divide 50 by 3. So 15. So 3 times what number is 15? The correct option is 5 donuts per box, right? The correct option is 5. Option number 1 is the correct option. Find the unit rate 20 apartments on 5 floors. So how many apartment on one floor? The correct option is that is 4 apartments on one floor. 5 times 4 is 20. So that means on one floor you have 4 apartments. Find the unit rate 12 stickers on 2 pages. The correct option is six stickers on. Yes, one page. The correct option is six. Find the unit rate. 12 plants in four rows. So how many plants in one row? Very good. That is three plants in one row. The correct option is three. Find the unit rate. 14 flowers in seven vases. So which is the correct option? The correct option is two flowers. Option number one is the correct option. Very good. Okay. Find the unit rate. 12 seats in two rows. So which is the correct option? The correct option is yes, that is six seats in one row. The correct option is six. Option number two is the correct option. Find the unit rate. 12 chairs at two tables. So which is the correct option? Very good. That is six chairs at one table. So the correct option is six. Yes, they are same actually. Find the unit rate. 12 push-ups in 2 days. So which is the correct option? Yes, six push-ups in 1 days. You can complete the lesson yourself later today. Just move to next lesson. The next lesson is scale drawings, wood process. Let's just start with the lesson. Dan made a scale drawing of the middle school. The scale of the drawing was 1 inch equals 6 feet. The actual length of the gym is 90 feet. How long is the gym in the drawing? Okay, so the scale he used is 1 inch equal 6 feet, right? The length of the gym is 90 feet. You need to find the gym in the drawing. So actually the scale is 1 inch divided by 6 feet, right? So you have 90 feet here. Find the equivalent ratios actually. Number is 90. 106. 6 times 15 is 90. That means 1 times 15 it is 1 times 15 is 15 and 6 is 90. So that means if actual drawing is 19 feet, in drawing it is in scale drawing it is 15 inches. Got it? The correct option is 15 inches, right? Okay, let's just start with the test questions. Pam measured house and its lot and a scale drawing. The scale she used is 1 inch equal 8 feet. Backyard is 40 feet. How wide is the yard in drawing? Now you have to find how many, like how long, how wide is the yard in the drawing, right? So you just look at the denominators. 8 times what number is 40? 8 times 5 is 40. That means you need to multiply the numerator with 5 as well. Is 5 inches in the drawing. Actually, it is 40 feet, and in drawing, it is 5 inches. The correct option is 5. Okay, let's just start with the next question. Daniel measured a neighborhood park and made scale drawing. The scale drawing was 1 inch equal 2 yards. If a soccer field in the park is 45 inches in the drawing, how long it in the actual field? Now you are given the one in the drawing, right? You need to find how long it is in the actual drawing, that is 40. So 1 time and then 2 times 45 is the correct option is 90. Option number 2 is the correct option. Let's just start with the test question. Next one. The correct option is 90. Okay, Camel made a scale drawing of an Italian restaurant. This restaurant's kitchen is 2 centimeter wide in the actual drawing. The actual kitchen is 8 meter wide. What scale did Camel used for the drawing? So, which is the correct option? The correct option is 1 centimeter equals. Yes, 4 meter it is. Option number one is the correct option. Troy drew a scale drawing of a theater. He used the scale 1 inch equal 3 feet. The actual length of the stage is 71 feet. How long is the stage in the drawing? So, which is the correct option? The correct option is yes, 17 inches. It is the correct option is 17 feet. Sorry, not inches. Dalton made a scale drawing of a city park. The soccer field is 18 millimeter long in the drawing. The actual field is 108 meters long. What is the scale of the drawing? So, which is the correct option? The correct option is 6. The correct option is 6, right? 6 meters. Option number 3 is the correct option. Mary drew a scale drawing of a house and its lot. The scale of drawing was 1 millimeter equal 2 meters. The front lawn is 31 millimeters in the drawing. How long is the actual drawing? Very good. That is 62, 62 meters long. The correct option is 62. Option number one is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is ratio tables. Let's just start with the next lesson. So complete the ratio table. We have to complete the table, right? So first thing is we need to find how the table is the input and output value have the relationship, right? So what is the relationship? So 1 times like 7 and 1, 14, and the missing number. So that these numbers are, you have to divide them by 7. 7 times 1 is 7, 14 by 7 is 2. So the correct option is 2. 14 times 2. So the next one is 14. Let's just start with it. Basically, you need to find a relationship between both the columns given, right? One of them is input and output. Okay, complete the ratio table. So which value is missing? The missing one is 2. That's exactly the same we just did on the tutorial, isn't it? Okay, complete the ratio table. So which is the correct option? That is 28, right? So the correct option is 28. Here you have the table of 7. 7, 14, 21. So the next one is 7 times 4. So the correct option is 28. Very good. 12, it is option number 3 is the correct option. Complete the ratio table. So the missing value is, 4 it is, right? The missing value is 4. Option number 1 is the correct option. The missing value is very good. 4. The correct option is 4. Okay, the next one is complete the ratio table. So which value is missing? Yes, 10 it is. The correct option is 10. Okay, complete the ratio table. So which value is missing? Yes, 6 it is. The correct option is 6. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So we were working on grade 6 math. The chapter we were working on is ratios, proportions, and percents. The lessons we have covered today are they are proportions, unit rates and equivalent rates, scale drawings, word problems, and ratio tables, right? So please make sure before the next session you can complete questions for the lessons we just of the lesson. You can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available 5 to 9, or either you can join me in the interactive session that would be daily from 4 to 5. You can please ask your questions and confusions if you have any.